KINGDEAR Machinery Co. Limited is a modern high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, sales and technical service of high-grade aluminum doors and windows, aluminum curtain wall equipment and industrial aluminum processing equipment, automatic production line. The company's series of products include aluminum doors and windows equipment, aluminum curtain wall machinery, industrial aluminum processing equipment. The company strictly operates in accordance with the management mechanism of modern enterprises, and has a sound quality control system and quality control center. In September 2006, it passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification once and for all. In April 2008, it was rated as the backbone enterprise of China store and window equipment production base by China Building Metal Association. In 2018, all the products of the company have passed that SIR product certification, which lays the foundation for exporting to the European market. KINGDEAR obtained the right of import and export in 2006. After 18 years of development, it has provided customers in more than 20 countries and regions such as the United States, Russia, Australia, Ghana, Thailand, Egypt, Vietnam, South Africa with the door and window equipment system, and professional service in accordance with their different requirements. KINGDEAR Machinery Company has become one of the world's leading suppliers of high-grade aluminum door and window curtain wall systems. With the global market as the strategic goal, KINGDEAR strives to continuously expand the overseas market, maintain its vitality and service in the increasingly competitive domestic and foreign markets, and lay a solid foundation for the development of foreign trade of the company.